So today I'm going to go over lab number 6, igneous rock samples. I'm just going to use the igneous rock flow ID chart from the lab to kind of try to figure these out. Just going to go 1 through 10. I believe is probably the best way to do that. Okay. Have my ceramic in case I need to do streak tests. Got some glass to test the hardness. Have my other rocks over there that I know the ohms if I need to do that. So I guess we start with number 1. It's very large crystals. It seems this is felsic, I believe, as well. I believe this is going to be the red granite that we have. Number 1. Let's see. Number 2. Number 2 is definitely felsic as well. You can see the very large crystals in it. Has a very phaneric texture. I don't know if I say that right. This is definitely a form of granite as well. As you can see, everything in it pretty easily identifiable. Number 3, this one is one of the ones that's been ejected. It's very light, not quite as light as pumice, but it almost has the same texture and look to it. This one is probably going to be tough. This has been ejected from the volcano. Number 4 doesn't really have much to go off. Definitely felsic as well. I believe this one is going to be the rhyolite, just because I know what that looks like. Number 5 has a very glassy luster to it, very obvious, very shiny. It's black. This one is definitely obsidian. Pretty easily to tell that one from all the rest. Number 6 is definitely a pumice stone. You can tell about how light it is, how vascular it is also as well. It's full of holes. The texture is very grainy, gritty, almost like sandpaper. And it's very, very light. Let's see. This one also, just like number 2, the other piece of granite. Number 1, the other piece of granite as well. Very phaneric texture. Doesn't really have the super large crystals like these other ones. It's probably more intermediate. This one, I believe, is the diorite. Number 8. Let's see, number 8 as well has some very medium-sized crystals, probably more intermediate than felsic or mafic. This one's the andesite. Number 1, you can definitely tell it's the mafic. There's extra large crystals in it. This one's gabbro. Pretty easy to tell that one from the color. And number 10, this one's pretty easy to tell as well, just from the texture and the crystal size on it. This one is basalt, number 10. This is the flow ID chart that I used for it to help me identify these. And that was lab number 6.